Alright guys, good morning. Paul Bates here. Welcome aboard Southern Estate, where I currently live full-time with my wife Beverly and our dog Daisy. Today we're going to take you on a tour of the marina here at Fisher King Marina. We'll be here for the next month, refitting the boat with certain things and getting ready to head over to the Keys and then over to the Bahamas. Anyway, today we're going to take you for a dinghy ride, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and share it with your friends. We do appreciate it.
I hope you enjoy the tour of the marina.
So you can see the boatyard here. This is where you can bring your boat out, work on it. So just your typical boatyard, it looks like. Good girl. All right, guys, let's go for a little ride here and see what happens. Like Cameron says, nothing gonna happen in here. This looks like a beautiful campground, huh? Right on the water. Oh yeah. They got a boat ramp. It almost looks like a golf course, but I'm not sure. Not, it's a big, yeah, like you said, a big park. Oh, did you see the fish just jump right there? Well, I'm glad we came down here. This is cool. I'll have to bring Daisy over here and let her go run one day. That's a beautiful campground. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed today's dinghy ride. Also make sure you check out the video. There's one coming out Monday. I'm going to do a Monday at 5, all 5 days. You've already seen I've released 3 of them now. Actually, I've released 2 of them. One releases this Monday, and then I got one the next Monday and the one after that for the actual trip down here. So make sure you check those videos out. Hope you guys have a nice, wonderful weekend. Thank you guys. We have so many chores to do now. It's time to get to work. Anyway, thank you guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe. Share it with your friends. We appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.